Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pancreatic mass and hepatic metastasis. You can see a mass in the epigastric region, and this mass lies in the pancreas, in the head of the pancreas. A tumor is an abnormal lump or growth of cells. When the cells in the tumor are normal, it is benign. Something just went wrong and they overgrow and produced a lump. When cells are abnormal and can grow uncontrollably, they are cancerous cells and the tumor is malignant. You can see the blood flow. A rich blood flow is seen in the pancreatic mass. A wide spectrum of benign and malignant diseases can produce a mass in the head of the pancreas. It can be solid, ductal adenocarcinoma, chronic pancreatitis, endocrine tumors, or a cystic lesion, cystic neoplasm, true cyst, or pseudocyst. The most important question is whether or not it is a malignant or a benign tumor. About 80% of pancreatic cysts are benign. About 20% of either precancerous or cancerous. Today, a greater number of pancreas cell cysts are diagnosed due to advanced imaging technology, and many are discovered accidentally while scanning the abdomen area for other medical issues. This mass measures about 5.2 centimeter into 4.5 centimeter, and this is the average size of the pancreatic masses. Pancreatic cysts are benign growths. Some growths in the pancreas are benign, not cancerous, or may be considered precancerous. If left untreated, they will become cancerous over time. In some cases, these growths will not require treatment. Now, the recorded mean size of the tumor is about 4 centimeter, 4 to 5 centimeter in some studies. Ultrasound examination demonstrated tumors in a study of 120 patients, and 124 patients out of 140 patients were pancreatic cancers. With pancreatic cancers, the sensitivity of ultrasonography in the detection of exocrine pancreatic cancer was 90%, that is 79 out of 88 patients. Now, the surgery to remove the mass on the pancreas, as the least common pancreatic cancer surgery, this procedure is used when tumors extend throughout the pancreas. In a total pancreatectomy, surgeons remove the entire pancreas, spleen, gallbladder, common bile duct, portion of the small intestine, and stomach. The word tumor simply means a mass. Tumor is therefore a general term and can refer to benign or malignant growths. You can find a bit of information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button.